One of the biggest challenges in a fiber optic network is keeping your connectors clean. Today we're going to go over how to clean up some TFOCA-II connectors. I've got a jam nut receptacle here and a plug. So this is the jam nut, that's the plug. So we're going to start off cleaning the jam nut connector, and we're going to use our IBC one-click M250 cleaner. It's designed for 2.5 millimeter pins and sockets that come inside of these TFOCA connectors. We'll start with the pins. We leave this little attachment on because it fits over the pins and gives them a good cleaning. Each time I give that a click, it advances and spins the cleaning media, which allows the little cleaning tape in there to sweep away any dirt and debris. In order to get into the sockets, you need this little piece to come off so that you can get in there and get to these recessed areas. So I'm going to give each of these a couple of clicks. Okay, and that completes a quick field cleaning. Now, you still want to scope each one of these and make sure that they're good. Let's say you take a look at them and there's a little bit of stubborn, like dirt, debris, maybe some oil or something on there. You want to get in with a little bit deeper of a cleaning. Problem is, this insert here is in the way in order to get in with some alcohol and wipe. So you remove the insert, use an Allen key, and just pull these screws out a little bit so that you can just pop that out, set that to the side, take your fiber optic wipe, a little bit of your 99% pure alcohol, and you're going to just want to kind of get some of that alcohol on each end of each termini. And then you want to go in and just give them each a quick drying as well. Take a look at it under your scope. If it's still a little dirty, you can go through with another wet cleaning. Once you get through like 2 or 3 attempts with a wet cleaning though, and it doesn't fix the problem, then it might be time for some professional help. Thank you. Have a great day.
Subscribe to our channel for new videos.